Redo You, the podcast that teaches you tools and strategies so you can build the confidence to rediscover and reinvent yourself. With me, Emma Hull, your favorite life coach. Each week, I'll introduce a concept that you can implement right away so you can live your most authentic life. Let's get started. I wrote this book for you. Your goddess era is for you at this moment, at this time in your life. Whether you're navigating a divorce, maybe you're supporting a friend through a healthcare diagnosis, maybe you just lost your job. Your Goddess Era, a step-by-step guide to reinvention, is your handbook to walk with you through this journey, to help you rediscover and reinvent yourself and come out the other side stronger, more grounded and rooted in love for yourself, confidence, trust in yourself. Instead of seeking validation from others, you will know deep down what you are doing, why you're doing it, why it's right for you. This book contains 24 incredible practices, tools and strategies, the things that I teach my one-on-one life coaching clients and that have helped countless women to move forward in their lives with confidence. Whatever challenge you're facing, however big or small it is, this book is for you. It's designed as a workbook. Each chapter covers a specific tool that my clients love, and there's space in there for you to journal and reflect with prompts and questions to help you embody being this new version, to embody your goddess era. There's 4 different phases in the book. We start out with laying the foundation, really doing that groundwork to help you to be solid and confident in yourself. And then I teach you how to deal with sorting through your baggage so that you're not carrying all that stuff around with you anymore. You learn how to deal with other people so that instead of being triggered and reactive, you're responding from a place of confidence and belief in yourself. And finally, the last phase of the book is all about keeping your beautiful flame burning bright. It's about making this sustainable. This isn't a band-aid. This isn't a quick fix. Your goddess era is reprogramming your brain, shifting your mindset so that you have that confidence, that positivity, that joy and love to carry you forward through whatever dreams you're choosing for yourself. So whether you're feeling like you're forced into a situation that you don't want to be in and you don't know how to get out, or maybe you're excited about embracing the next chapter, meet yourself where you're at. This book will guide you step by step through that process. It's available on Amazon and in select local stores on Friday, April the 4th. And to celebrate the launch on Friday, April the 4th, I'm having an online launch party. So join me for Your Goddess Era Live. I'm going to drop all the info in the show notes, but if you head to Eventbrite and look up Your Goddess Era or head over to my website, lifeuntethered.com, it's a free event, an hour that we get to spend together, and I explain to you how to use this book, give you tangible examples. You get to meet some of my amazing clients and see the transformations they've experienced and see that it is possible for you too. Beautiful. I am so excited. I cannot wait to see you there. Please buy the book. Give it as a gift to everyone. It's my gift to the world to help as many women as possible to step into your goddess era, because it's time, beautiful. Let's do this together. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of the Redo You podcast. Remember to subscribe, rate, and review, and tell a friend, because together we rise even higher. See you next Friday.